Clear. Corneal lenticule extraction for advanced refractive correction. Clear is flapless. The centration can be adjusted after docking. It is a low vacuum procedure. There are guiding tunnels for gas bubble venting so that there is no gas in the AC. There is multi-incision option, one incision going into the anterior plane and the other one into the posterior plane. There is intraoperative OCT for lenticule definition. There is overlapping spot scan pattern, and it is a low energy procedure.
Software enables customized configuration of the lenticule and, under active suction, allows complete control for centration and repositioning. Cyclotorsion is automatically compensated. Surgeons also have the option of using intraoperative OCT to create a cross-sectional visualization of the planned lenticule and the residual stroma. The Z8 creates a lenticule inside the corneal stroma. Thanks to the short working distance to the eye, the focus size is very small, and thus the energy required for each laser pulse is low. In combination with overlapping spots, this produces a uniquely smooth and even cut, a feature Zimmer is known for. Depending on the surgeon's preferences, 1 or 2 incisions are made. Guiding tunnels are integrated to make it easier to identify the anterior and posterior planes. Next, the surgeon inserts a dissector and carefully separates the lenticular interfaces in the anterior and posterior plane. After the dissection, the lenticule is extracted.
In the preparation, the parameters of the lenticule are defined by feeding the keratometry, the asphericity of the cornea, and the central corneal thickness. The sphere and cylinder of the myopic correction required and the axis of the astigmatism is also defined. After docking and when the cuts are achieved, the main port is open and anterior plane is defined. The anterior plane of the lenticule is then dissected with the dissector, and separation is very easy because overlapping laser spots, making it very, very easy. Then from the same port, the posterior plane is defined with a dissector, and a separate posterior plane is completely separated. So the lenticule is easily separated. And held and pulled out with a crocodile forceps. Alternately, the right port can be used for defining and separating the anterior plane of the lenticule and the left port used for the defining the posterior plane of the lenticule and then separating it with the dissector. Again, adhesions are very small or none and can be separated very comfortably. Lenticule is then grasped with the crocodile forceps and pulled out. Thank you.